Okay, hey, how's it going, y'all? My name is Sean. I made an unboxing 3.5 years ago with these bad boys, the winning 14-ounce training gloves. And since then, give you an update, they have a lot of discoloration. And finally, after 3.5 years, hundreds and hundreds of rounds of sparring, they're starting to finally have the outside leather break apart, and I have the foam coming out. I'm making my pro debut in MMA, so I decided it's time for new boxing gloves. The protection and everything is still great after 3.5 years, and as I said, hundreds if not thousands of sparring rounds and pad rounds with them. I've gone through 5 fights. They're still in pretty good condition. I'm surprised they're not wrecked, but obviously they have the foam coming out, so I decided it was time for a new pair. And I've been seeing Fly. They've been, producing some really good gloves, and I heard they're just as good as the winnings, if not better. So I decided it was time to try and upgrade. So I'm going to use my sushi knife here, and here's the box. I ordered it last Thursday, and they're here from the United Kingdom. I got the Fly Superloop X's in red. Adjust this here. I had to use a webcam because I didn't have anyone here to, record. Everyone's out of the house. So, just, regular box. And as you can see, Fly does a really good job at packaging. So there's the box, and then I have this envelope here. And it's just going to be an invoice of what you ordered. So adjust the camera. As you can see, the old winnings are here. I'm going to move them to the side and retire them. If anyone wants to buy them, it's like I ain't going to sell them. They have too much sentimental value. So I open this up. It's nice. And they come in a nice bag here. The winnings actually didn't come in a bag. They came in, plastic. But they had a pretty nice box, but this is nicer. So as far as packaging goes, Fly is beating them. And then open up the bag, and I got the Superloop X's. So these are made from synthetic leather, and apparently they're just as good a quality. So you can see, I know these aren't brand new, but if you compare, these are the winning 14 ounces to the Fly Superloop 14 ounces, Superloop X's. And they're very, nice looking gloves. It looks like the Flies have a bigger wrist loop, and they're going to probably offer better wrist protection than the winnings, even though I've never had wrist problems with them. I used to have Cleto Reyes, and I sold them because every time I threw a right hand, it felt like my hand was going to shatter. But yeah, I really love comfortable gloves, especially since I'm training 6 days a week. So these are my sparring gloves. They're going to be my new sparring gloves right in time because I got Shark Tank rounds tomorrow. As I said, I'm getting ready for my first professional fight. So let's try them on. That Velcro seems really secure. I know they're brand new, but taking them off right away, that feels really secure. Right off the bat, they feel similar to the winnings, except I know they're new, but they feel more snug in the hand compartment, which is good. And the finger compartment where your fingers go to is longer. So, these fit like a glove. So here they are, the Fly Superloop X's, 14 ounces in red. They're beautiful. I don't know if the camera work on my laptop does them justice, but yeah, they're very snug gloves. I look forward to breaking them in on the pads. And I also ordered a pair of 8-ounce winning gloves. So I think they just got here, so I'm going to do an unboxing of those too. Ordered them from Kozujin. I recommend ordering winning gloves from there. You can only get Flies on Fly's website, though.